This OTC drug review is very important, or the counter drugs. You know, this is the what are OTC drugs? Prescription and non-prescription drugs. Types of OTC drugs. OTC drug used for different ailments. Are OTC drugs are safe and effective? Side effects of OTC drugs. Advantages and disadvantages of OTC drugs. And most commonly used OTC drugs. Examples of the some OTC drugs. OTC drug reference. Now, what are OTC drugs? Drugs that are safe and effective for use by the general public without a prescription are defined as over-the-counter drugs. Some OTC medicines relieve aches, pains, and itches. Some prevent or cure diseases like tooth decay and athlete's foot. Prescription and non-prescription drugs. Here, drugs are classified as prescription drugs and OTC drugs, non-prescribed drugs. There are currently 10,000 prescription products are sold in America. Prescription drugs are available only by recommendation of an authorized health, such as physician. Non-prescription drugs are also available other than the pharmacies, do not require approval by the physician. Prescription and OTC drugs have been viewed differently by the public since the classification were established by the Durham-Humphrey Amendment of 1951. Generally, the public views OTC drugs as minimally effective and safe, and prescription drugs as more potent and frequent dangerous. Types of the drugs. These are of the internal analgesics. We have analgesics, salicylates. Therapeutic considerations, we have analgesic actions, anti-inflammatory effects, antipyretic effects, and side effects. Now, OTC drugs. Gastrointestinal products, eye and ear care, cough, cold and allergies, skin care, aches and pains, gynecological products, vitamins and the minerals, fuel preparation. Are OTC over-the-counter drugs safe and effective? Yes. OTC drugs are appropriate by the US Food and Drug Administration, that is FDA, and have proven to be safe and effective. However, as recently as 1992, the FDA has banned over 400 ingredients from 7 categories of the OTC products. Now, side effects of the OTC medicines are usually nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, and drowsiness. Advantage. The use of the OTC drugs allows the patients to have greater access to a variety of the drugs available in the market to treat some medicinal conditions. Low misuse, self-treat, self-manage, health practitioners are not needed. A disadvantage. Poor compliance, more difficult to study a drug's effect, misdiagnosis occurs. Most commonly, OTC drugs are used for pain 78%, cough, cold and sinus 52%, heartburn, stomach 45%, constipation, diarrhea 37%, skin problems 10%. Some examples for OTC drugs. Guaifenesin help break up mucus, drink lots of fluids if you take this medicine. Acetaminophen and ibuprofen help reduce fever in children and adults. Antihistamines taken by mouth may help with itching or if you have allergies. Decongestants help clear a runny nose and relieve post-nasal drip. And antihistamine that cause little or no sleepiness is loratadine, and we have fexofenadine, cetirizine. OTC drug reference. The list of the approved drug products with therapeutic evaluation in Orange Book. It is supplied to use in pharmacy all the time in the US. Thank you very much. This is all about the OTC.